What's going on, my Cardano friends? It's your friend Jack here, and yes, I have another Cardano video. Maybe I'm a Cardano channel, I don't know. I just really like the project, talking about it, but I have some more news, kind of news. It's a new article that came out, and I wanted to highlight this fact that ADA is one of the most decentralized cryptocurrencies in the world right now. As this article states, 98.5% of supply being distributed among retail investors, people like you and me. So I wanted to highlight this real quick in this video and just tell you another reason why Cardano is for the people. All right, I think this is something a lot of people can get behind, and this is a very bullish article on Cardano. Obviously, it's going to be biased. This person probably likes Cardano a lot, but there is a lot of good facts in this article, including the fact that, you know, Cardano has went from 17 cents to 1.7 cents or $1.70 in a matter of 5 months. During this period, also reached a high of $2.30, which is pretty crazy. So this article is really highlighting the fact that the distribution of Cardano is really impressive, right? Only 1.5% of Cardano is whale concentrated, meaning 518 million ADA. And the retail side of things is 98.5% with more than 30 billion ADA. So that's something very crazy to note. Also, the on-chain metrics also tell us that more cruisers than holders, which means pretty much, you know, more people have gotten in the last 1 to 12 months than have gotten in the past year. That is to be expected, though, with the Cardano community expanding and growing like crazy, including myself. I joined in the past year, so I am a cruiser, you would say. Now the community is growing stronger and stronger, and the numbers on the community are also very impressive. Something I want to point out is that the Cardano subreddit has 500,000 people on it, so that's crazy. Cardano is probably one of the fastest growing communities in terms of crypto. Obviously Bitcoin kind of has a community around there, but it's not as I would say strong as Cardano, just because Cardano does have more active people managing the community. Yes, that part maybe is not decentralized, but I do think it is led very well and put together very well, so I really like that. But yeah, I just want to put this video out there just to show how crazy this is. And there's also a comparison to Ethereum. I love Ethereum. Ethereum's Cardano's best friend in my mind. Check out that video down below if you want to know why. But it will be ahead of Cardano regarding ownership and investor concentration. The whales concentration is currently 15.8% for Ethereum, and there are 6 whales, whereas there's only 1 whale in the Cardano ecosystem. This is another reason to support how strong the community is and how powerful the wider distribution of tokens can be. So I really do like that. Cardano is not just 2-3 people. It's not even 2 people, right? It's 1 whale. Obviously there's people with a lot bigger bags and huge bags, but they aren't considered whales. And I really do like how more people have Cardano. They're staking it, they're holding it, they're not selling it as much, meaning it's harder for whales to accumulate a lot at a decent price. And I really did like this article. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave it down in the description. One last thing to note is that on-chain analysis provided the strength and resilience of the new investors in the community. So the new investors are holding, right? Even with all of the ups and downs of volatility, new investors are still holding because they believe in the project long term, which I really do like. And we still have to stick around and observe how the company will integrate smart contracts. Once Goguen is fully operational, we might see a complete different picture for Cardano in its future. This is very true. Alonzo Blue coming out in the summer, going to be the smart contract release. That is going to be huge, considering Cardano doesn't actually have anything out yet. And there's this many active retail investors that are holding on to their ADA is pretty impressive. One more bias thing I wanted to mention, because I kind of am in love with Cardano, is its negative correlation to Bitcoin, right? So this is actually really huge. It may not be very proportional, maybe it's not the biggest thing ever, but Cardano is not going down like all the other altcoins, all the other coins in the market, when the Bitcoin value drops a lot. So when Bitcoin goes down like crazy, 50%, Cardano will take a hit, yes, but it won't take nearly as much of a hit as all the other altcoins and all the other pieces of the market, which is really impressive. That means there's a strong support there from the Cardano community, from the people holding Cardano. Those retail investors are really keeping it together. And I really do like that. That means it's going to be harder to form a major dip or a like double dip in terms of, you know, a whale selling off all of their Cardano to, you know, cause another dip. That's not going to happen as likely just because of the decentralization and the support of the people behind the project, which I really do think is another bullish thing to mention. And yeah, of course, honestly, all of cryptocurrency is kind of a bit of a gamble, but if I'm going to put my chips anywhere, I do feel comfortable putting them with Cardano. Worst comes to worst, I'm only putting in as much as I'm willing to lose, so if I lose it all, it's not a big deal to me. I want to keep that in mind before I end this video, because this is a very bullish video, and you might be very prompted to go and dump all your money into Cardano. I would only ever put in more or as much as I'm willing to lose. If it goes to zero, I'm fine with that. That's how I do it. This isn't financial advice. I'm just living in my mom's basement. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely check out this article right here, link down in the description, and also check out my merch if you want some cool merch. My personal merch is coming in to me, and I'm going to be wearing it in the video, so you guys will see it. If you want to wait till then to buy the merch, definitely can do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.